I could just ask here a follow-up question. Why did revenue go up? But before I click enter here, I want to show you one of the most important things within Veezoo, one of the big differentiators, and that is the Veezoo knowledge graph. The Veezoo knowledge graph shows you the universe of what you can ask questions about. And in this universe, you can see the business concepts and their relationship to each other. So I can see orders. These were placed in stores. The store is in some location. For the order, we have line items in there. The line items, again, are attached to some product. The product has a brand. And the very first or the most important thing already now to remember is that from this view itself, you cannot infer already directly how the database underneath it looks like. So it could be that this is all like one denormalized table, or it could be that there's like a nice dimensional model behind it. And this knowledge graph is also the view basically the AI has on top of your data. So in Veezoo, the AI does not directly write SQL. I get a query against a knowledge graph in VQL, and only then it gets translated into a SQL query. Also in this knowledge graph, you can see that like those concepts like orders, line items, and so on, they can have nice descriptions. You could put synonyms on it. And all these things help understanding the data for the AI, but also for the end users. So if I now again ask now, why did revenue go up? What the system actually sees, it sees the chat history. So you can see the values here. You can see the knowledge graph. You can see the descriptions and even some additional context that's not visible in this interface that gives it more context about your business.